welcome to an unboxing and setup guide for the Gator GHDVR85W Dash Cam. In this video, I will provide a quick overview of its features, show what's inside the box, show you how to install and set up the dash cam, and how to connect your dash cam to your smartphone. We will now take a closer look at the dash cam and accessories. Here we have the Gator GHDVR85W with the 16GB micro SD card and mounting bracket already installed. The product manual in various languages. Underneath the foam insert is a box containing a spare mounting adhesive, GPS antenna and power cable, and the 12 and 24 volt in-cart dual USB adapter. Let's have a quick look at the GHDVR85W Dash Cam. Installing the Gator GHDVR85W consists of two parts: the installation in your vehicle and the setup using your smartphone. Installing the GHDVR85W into your vehicle is simple. Peel off the adhesive to mount the dash cam on your windscreen, typically behind the rear view mirror. Orientate the device so when you attach it to the windscreen, the USB socket is on the right hand side and its lens is on the left. Since the GHDVR85W supports GPS, we use the provided cable that has both the GPS antenna and power cable combined into one. Insert the micro USB end of the GPS power cable into the micro USB socket of the dash cam. Remove the adhesive of the GPS cable and fix it to the window. Connect the other end of the GPS cable into the dual USB power adapter and plug it into the power socket of your vehicle. You can adjust the camera's orientation more accurately in the Gator Dash Cam app. We can now move on to the second part of the installation. All our current Wi-Fi Gator Dash Cams use the Gator Dash Cam app for iOS and Android. If you'd like to have a step-by-step guide on how to connect to your Gator Dash Cam using our app, please click on the link in the description. The video will show you all you need to know to set up and manage your Gator Dash Cam. The steps are the same, but when you're connecting to your Gator Dash Cam over Wi-Fi, make sure to connect to the GHDVR85W and use the password 123456778. There, you can adjust the settings of your dash cam. That sums up the unboxing and setup guide for the Gator GHDVR85W. You can stay up to date on the latest products by subscribing to this channel and visiting our website, gatordriverassist.com.